Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to finish our chapter number 7. We will be finalize this chapter with practice time. At page number 94 of your book, you can see there is one practice time. Which in this practice time, we will be doing some alignment with the text in Word 2013, and we will apply borders and shading to the list. You can see on your computer screen I have took some snapshot of your book pages so you can understand better what I am going to do today. In the practice time, it is written that Talib's sport teacher wants him to open the already saved document Athletic Events. The name of the document, title of the document is Athletic Events, and make the following changes in the document. After making the document with the title name Athletic Event, this is the title name. We can see over here Athletic Event, this is the title of the document. Then we have to write down the list like 100 meters dash. We have made this list, we have made this page in the previous practice time also. So first of all, we will make this list with this title Athletic Events. Then they have asked us to make two changes to this list. Number one is we have to center align the heading. What is the heading of this document? Heading is Athletic Events. We have to center align the heading. After that, we will apply border and shading to the list. This area, this 1, 2, 3, 4, this is our list of events which will be included in the athletic events. So this list will be applied with border and the shading. We can see there is a border, there is an outline in this list, and see this is the outline, this rectangular box. This is the border, and inside there is a fill color also. So let's start doing this. First of all, we have to open Word. How we will open Word? When we are going to open Word, we have to first of all we have to make blank document. Okay. Then after making this blank document, you have to save this file, like save as. Browse your location on your computer where you want to save it. I'm gonna save it on the OneDrive. Okay, if you want to save it in your computer, you have to select here computer, then select which folder you want. For example, I want this one. I will be saving this. I will name this document like practice time. Give your name, select your folder where you want to save it, open, save. Okay, I have saved it with the practice time. We can see the title of my document of my file is shown on the title bar. We can see here. Okay, now let's start with making this. What is the title? It is Athletic Events. Then we have to make one list. How I can make the list? I have to select numbering. These are the numbering style which is given in your book. You can see. I will select this. Okay, number one is 100 meter. There is one hyphen. 100 meter dash. Then number two is short put. Number three is long jump. Number 4 is high jump. Here you can see that this jump, high jump, this jump is superscript. So we will make it superscript from here. Select jump, and after selecting jump, make it superscript. Okay, then I can see that I feel that this font size is not visible to you, so I will select it. I will select my text and I will make it a little much bigger. I hope now it is more visible to you, all of you. Okay, now we can see this is our title, and the title is with text effect. This text. Okay, I will select this. I can see in the preview, if I will select this, it will look like this. Okay, so after selecting this, now I have written all capital letters. Okay, and in my book I can see it is a sentence case. So I will select my text. How I will select this, I will bring my cursor to the selection point. After bringing my cursor, I will keep my left mouse key pressed and I will drag it to the end of the selection. After selecting this, I will go there. These are the change cases. In home tab, in font group, there is option for the case changes. We have seen this in the lab also. So here I have many options to change the cases: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. Okay, I want the sentence case, means only the first letter of my sentence will be capital and rest of them will be lowercase letters. Okay, so you can see it is now okay. After this, coming to the practice time, page number 94, there is written number A is center align the heading. You all know what is our heading? Athletic events. Bringing your cursor to the start of the title until here where I want to make the selection, press the mouse left key, keep it pressed and drag your cursor till the end of your selection. Now I have to make it center align. Do you remember where was the alignment option? It was in the home tab in the paragraph group. In the home tab, paragraph group. These are the alignment options. These four are the alignment option. Number 1 is align left, center, and align right, and this is justify. So they are asking us to make it center align. So I will click here. See, it is now in the middle of my page margins. Okay, now number 2 is apply border and shading to the list. This is my list. I have to select this list. After selecting my text, after selecting my list, I have to apply border and shading to the list. In the previous class, we have learned from where we can get borders in the home tab, in the paragraph group, in the bottom, in the bottom right corner, there is borders button. I will click on this borders button. I have to apply border. Which type of border you want, you can select from here. I want only this outside border. Okay, after this, or I can go directly to the border and shading. Okay, I will first in the borders, I will select the type of border I want this box. Which style I want, I will select here. which color I want, I will select from here. The width of the border, I will select from here. I want to make it a little bit more thick so you can see, and I will select from here. I want it around the paragraph or on the text, around the text. I want it around the text only. Okay, so it will be coming to the text only. After this, I have to apply shading also. So shading, I want a fill color. Which fill color I want? Like this. I will select this color. Okay, now click. Okay, let me select this paragraph. Even in the border, I will go for the paragraph because we are taking 1 2 3 4 lines. These are paragraph. Okay, so let's see what it will be looking like. See, it is same as shown in the book. So we have done what? First of all, we center align the heading of the page athletic events. After that, we selected the list given below the heading. We made an outline border around the text and we applied some shading. So we are done with this practice time. Now I will be uploading the answers for the exercise also. You can find in the worksheet area there will be answers for page number 96, 97 and 98. Fill in the blanks answers will be there, true false will be there, choose the correct option will be there, descriptive type questions answers are also there. You have to note down all these answers in your book. So before I will finish this class, let's summarize. In this chapter we have learned about formatting. What is a formatting? It is changing the general arrangement and appearance of the text. Then we learned about default setting. Default settings are the settings which comes from the software developer, means who made this software. They are uh, predefining the settings. Those are known as default settings. Then we learned about alignment, the manner in which the text is placed between the margins. The text is placed between the margins. These are my margins 1 and 2. Okay, between these margins when we place the text, this is alignment. After that, highlighting, we learned about how to highlight the text. We will select the text and we will go to this button and we will do some highlighting. Then we learned about character formatting, means bold, italic, underline. We learned about these options. Also in this chapter we learned about how to apply border and shading, which we did today. We did border and shading from this button. Okay, I hope you all learned everything. Practice it at home well, and inshallah we will see each other in the next class.